Question number 6. It says that a map of Wonderland shows 5 cities. Each city is joined to every other city by road. Alice's map is incomplete. How many roads are missing? Why are there so many missing blanks there? So, how many roads would there be for 5 cities joining each other by a road? So for every 2 cities, so for 5 cities, each of them should be joining the other 4 cities, right? So for every city, there should be 4 roads leading to it. But then there are 2 ends for each road, joining the 2 cities. So it means that actually I have counted, for example, this one to this one and this one to this one. So every road twice, which means that now I just need to divide it by 2 to find out the total number of roads to be 10. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 roads, and 10 take away 7 is 3. So 3 roads are missing. All right. And question number 7, what is the value of 7/6? Adding 5 quarters, take away 3 halves. So you just need to do a little bit of finding the equivalent fractions. So 12 as the denominator, 14, adding 15 over 12, take away 18 over 12. So we have 29 take away 18, which is 11 over 12. The answer is B. Simple calculation problem. Question number 8. Both of the shapes shown in the diagram are formed by the same 5 pieces. A 5 by 10 rectangle, 2 large quarter circles and 2 small quarter circles. What's the difference between the perimeters? First of all, we have this 1 arc, 2 arcs, 1 arc, 2 arcs, which are matching. And then we have 1 arc, 2 arc, 1 arc, 2 arcs, which are matching. And then we have 1 length. 1 length of 10. So how do we calculate that? We can see that this length is actually the same as this length, right? And it is the radius of this circle or this quarter circle, which means that for this length of the rectangle, it's covered by this exposing radius. So now, what are the extra parts that we need to count? So we need to count 1, 2, 3. And the 2 short edges will be the radii of the small quarter circles. And they are the same as the width of the rectangle, which means that it's going to be 5 centimeters each. So the 2 of them. And then we have the length of the rectangle as the radius of the large quarter circle. So that's going to be 10. So that's the third one that we need to count. Adding them up, we're going to get 20. So the answer is D. Okay. As for question number 9, it says that Fei, Guy, Hu, In, and Jen, so F, J, H, I, J, are sitting in a circle. G is F, G, H, I, J. G is sitting next to F and I. J is not next to I, but there are only 2 places left now. So this is J and this is going to be H. So who is sitting next to J is F and H. F and H. So the answer is A. All right. And question number 10. The product of 3 different positive integers is 24. What is the largest possible sum of these integers? So we know that for products, the wider they are apart, like if the same, for the same product of various numbers, the larger the difference between the numbers, the larger the sum between the numbers. So it means that if I have 1 and 24, that's definitely greater than 4 and 6, right? In terms of the sum, or largest possible sum. Now I need 3 of them. So after splitting 1 and 24, I can't have another one, right? Because they are all different. So the only thing I can do is to split 24 up into 2 and 12. I don't have any other options. And now, after splitting it up, I can add 1, 2, and 12 to get 15. So the answer is D. All right.